Good evening. More than one person may have been involved in the Delphi double murders. Thank you for joining us tonight. I'm Debbie Knox.
And I'm Bob Donaldson. That statement coming from the prosecutor as the man charged in the murders of Abby and Libby appeared in court. Richard Allen appeared for a hearing on whether to release the probable cause affidavit that led to his arrest last month. The judge did not make a decision on releasing those documents. Instead, she says she will review the arguments made in court and rule at a later date. During that hearing, the Carroll County prosecutor seemed to suggest Allen is not the only one involved in the girls' murders. CBS 4's Max Lewis was in the courtroom for this hearing. He joins us now. Max, Allen's defense team was adamant. Prosecutors, they say, have the wrong guy.
Yeah, they sure were, Bob. Richard Allen's defense attorneys have read that sealed probable cause affidavit that this whole hearing was for. After the hearing today, they told us they are not at all impressed with the case that police have made against their client.
Once it's opened up, the probable cause affidavit will have more questions than answers.
While Richard Allen's defense attorneys couldn't talk about what that affidavit says, they did indicate it doesn't say much of anything.
We don't know what other evidence is out there, but we're confident that whatever is out there is not going to be enough to show that our client did anything here.
They say that revelation by prosecutor Nicholas McClellan that he has reason to believe there was someone else involved in the murders of Abby and Libby came as a shock to everyone, including them.
If you read the probable cause affidavit, it does not mention anything about any other person. That was news to us.
They are adamant that Allen has been wrongfully accused and said he has no idea why any of this is happening.
Our client, very emotional, looked us in the eye. He said, "I am not guilty. Thank you for helping us, helping me."
Allen's wife and another family member were in court today. As Allen was led away, he mouthed, "I love you," and both of them broke down in tears.
They love each other, and she fully supports him, but it is devastating. She's scared.
When and if that affidavit is released, Allen's attorney said everyone will see why they say they don't have much to worry about.
You guys will read the probable cause affidavit yourselves. You will determine for yourselves whether that is what a 5-year investigation looks like in terms of a probable cause affidavit.
Now, Allen's lawyers did file a motion on Monday for the judge to grant him bail. The judge is going to hear arguments about that during a hearing that is scheduled for February.
Oh, so you were in the courtroom today.
Yeah.
Give us an idea what the mood was like in there, especially where you sat.
Yeah, I was sitting right behind the family of Richard Allen, and so I could see them very emotional during this time. You could tell, you know, he is the accused here in this small town, and so a lot of pressure on them, but it was a crowded courtroom and just a lot of anticipation, wanting answers, something that's been a constant theme in this town since we broke this.
Well, and again, the prosecutor didn't talk after the hearing, but those defense attorneys, again, as we said, they were very adamant that once we see that probable cause, we will understand why they say that Allen's not the right guy.
Yeah, it is important to note, prosecutor did not hit away from our cameras, but they were very adamant. I mean, they say they are confident. They've read this, as I said, and they just, you know, have not seen anything that they say worries them or thinks is going to really make a case against their client.
Obviously, much more to come on the story.
Lots more.
Max, thank you.